RGTI stock is going parabolic with a massive 350% gain in the last few days. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down exactly what is going on with this stock, as well as answering the question of does this stock still have more upside despite the massive gain over the last couple of days. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Stock Sales channel. And this stock has been crazy. This stock has been at the top of everybody's radar, as this has been featured on StockTwits, the #1 search ticker, as well as Yahoo Finance. And this is a really interesting ticker, guys, because, well, this market cap is $1.8 billion, and you usually see these types of massive parabolic runs in stocks that have market caps, you know, in the tens of millions rather than the billion-dollar range. So that's why this has been such an attractive stock, a stock that many retail traders have been getting on, trying to ride the wave as this continues to shockingly make new highs every single day the market opens, and perhaps, guys, with good reason. But without any further ado, guys, we're going to get into the news, get into this chart, and break down the massive run on this stock because it has been absolutely parabolic. And I want to start right off the bat here with the chart, where on December 2nd, this stock went from a price point of $2.40 to almost a $4 price point, a huge 100% gain. And this is the really interesting part, guys, because when a massive volume spike came in on the 2nd of December, a $21.7 million buying candle, it didn't come down all that much. Now, it did have a small down move, but overall, it has sustained that move, that price point, holding it for a few days. You know, when a stock has a massive run up like that, it's nice when you see some support come in, continue to hold the stock even after a massive 100% run. Now, guys, it continues to keep going up every single day, and look at the massive volume that comes in. It's consolidation. So the people who bought the stock taking a little bit of profit, but new buyers coming in, buying the stock and taking it up further. Now, this hit a price point of $5 on December 9th. So that's huge gains from a price point of the low $2 price range to a $5 price point. Now, it did bounce down to the $4.20 range before making an absolutely huge run to the $6.50 mark, where it closed today. Now, this is really remarkable on this chart because so many people are looking at this stock coming off the heels of a huge deal with Nvidia, coming off the heels of an article that was written yesterday where Nvidia Rigetti quantum machines deliver AI-powered quantum computing. Now, a lot of people are saying in this sector, in the AI and quantum computing sector, that quantum computing could be the next big trend like AI. You know, obviously they go hand in hand. They're both chips. They both involve, you know, how computers interlink with one another using the power of multiple computers at once in these chips, powering servers and whatnot. And this is a really big deal. This has been getting a lot of eyes on the stock because, well, when you have a stock in the same headline as Nvidia, obviously the stock is going to shoot up very quickly. Now, one of the very interesting things about this RGTI stock is that the market cap is $1.8 billion. I mentioned before that, you know, sometimes with these stocks, when you see these huge run-ups, especially from the $2 price point to a $6.50 run-up, you think, well, it's probably a penny stock. It's probably a stock with a very small market cap. It's not the case with this stock. So it's a bit of a bigger board ticker here, not a huge market cap by any means, sitting at the $1.8 billion mark. But it's certainly, you know, if this stock plays their cards right, if they continue to come out with some news. Additionally, Google came out with a lot of news regarding quantum chips, Google's Willow chip. And here in the article, it also mentions RGTI. So these big companies like Nvidia, like Google, riding the wave of the AI chip, now getting into the quantum computer chips. And obviously, naturally, for investors, they go into stocks that are already well positioned in the quantum computing industry, and RGTI is one of those stocks. So we're going to have to see, guys, you know, as we head into the dilution on this stock, there has been a bit of dilution. They raised a $100 million at the market and offering $2 per share. Now, that was to fund their research and development for the quantum chip. So that outstanding share count getting increased quite a bit from that 158 million share mark up to the 280 million shares. But, you know, if this is going to, you know, work hand in hand with a company like Nvidia sitting at $3.4 trillion market cap, you know, 1.8 billion market cap is really not that big of a market cap, with still a lot of room to grow, which is why this stock is continuing to be very impressive for retail traders and institutional investors alike. As you can see, guys, the buying volume, there's tons of support every single day with this stock. I believe it started out as a special purpose acquisition company 2021 or 2022, where it was trading at the $10, $12 mark before de-SPACing and falling to a low of just 50 cents. So a huge move on this stock. I want to see really how this stock continues on the rest of the week. Could this be the next AI high-flying chip maker? Are the companies going to keep releasing partnerships with this stock? Will the hype continue? So tons of questions surrounding this stock. Let's see how it performs on the rest of the week, guys. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned to the Stock Sales channel. I have some really exciting content coming up on the channel, guys, and I will catch you on the next video.